channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create universal intro. A Let's get started by open this panzoid.com hashtag creation. You can try to type this on your browser, or I will give you a link on description. So after that you can open this clip maker. You can click it here. For example, here there is some tools: video resolution. You can adjust the resolution, frame rate, the faster frame rate, the smooth the video. This is like a background text. This one you can change this text. This is the letter, for example here. Here you can try to learn by one. And also this is like effect, Gaussian blur if you want to enable or disable. And this is the positioning or projection mode, perspective. If you want to add music here, you can select audio file from your preferences and start video render. If you think enough, you can choose faster render, balance. I recommend you to go with the balance in this format, MKV or web. It's up to you. And if you're done, you can start video render and download it. So please feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next